Hey everyone, welcome to the Matt Griffith Show. I'm sorry I haven't been making any videos. Usually I've been making videos of me selling my items, and I've been working on the new movie, the Lego Friends, the television series. I hope you all enjoyed that movie. Today, we have a special surprise. It's in this box. You know how I like to do some unboxing. Packaging on this thing. I wonder what this could be. This could be any familiar. It's pretty familiar to me. Yeah. Oh, look, it's Zoot from the Muppets. Zoot. Zoot. Do. It's Zoot from the Muppets. What do you think? Looks really good. I'll deal with this later. And what do we have here? Oh, looks like a character from the Muppets. Looks like Janice. Looks great. What do you think? It looks really good. That's now the Dr. Teeth and the Electric Man. Yeah, hopefully. Look at this. It's Floyd. Hello, Floyd. This would be great for my Muppet collection. Oh, what do we have here? One Muppet to look through. See what this is. Dr. Teeth. Looks like this unboxing surprise is the Muppets of the Electric. The Muppets from the Electric Man. What do you think? I bet you. These are so good. Yeah. The Muppets of the Dr. Teeth and the Electric Man. Well, let's see. See, I think these are really good. Well, alright everyone. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Though I just needed to do some catching up. Because I've been waiting to do this since I've been wanting these Muppets for Christmas. And Anna, if you're watching this, thank you for these Muppets. I really love them. Thank you. Okay. If you want to look at these guys, feel free. Maybe I can set them up. Ta-da! It looks good, huh? Let's see if I could do a close-up. Turns out I can't. Well, okay, everyone. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Puppets YouTube channel, Phil the Puppet Boy. It'll show you in the links. And I have some items I'm selling on eBay, so if you want to check out what I'm selling, then feel free to click on the link to where I'm selling stuff on eBay. Hopefully, maybe these can help you with special occasions. So, thank you for watching the Matt Griffith Show. Peace out.